everybody, Jody Spiegelhoff here. Thanks for joining me on my channel today. So I'm really excited. I'm actually going to be hanging out with Sara Scraps and a bunch of the other girls all month. So we are going to be doing a Kill-A-Kit series where all of us try to use up a bunch of supplies. So I'm not sure, some of the girls might be doing some homemade kits. I'm actually going to be killing my Secret Not Secret Kit Club kit and then incorporating a bunch of stuff like from my stash that I think coordinates well with the kit, and then bringing in some other past kit stuff that's going to coordinate with this also. So I want to go through with you guys real quick just what I'm going to be working with. So like I said, this is my Secret Not Secret Kit Club kit from last month. I'm going to be working with some 6x6 paper, some of these awesome Bella Boulevard 4x8 sheets, the adorable chipboard from Imagine That Girl, and it's super fun. I love the gold, I love the stripes on here. And then I also got a sheet of these, I think they're rose gold. I think they're gold and then rose gold. So there's one set of each in there. So these are awesome. And then she sent me a set of these. These will coordinate awesome. And Christina knows me well. I have all girls, so this is perfect for them. This will be fun for some summertime pictures. So I'm going to be working with this. And then there's a couple sheets of pink paisley. Which one is this? Oh, Pick Me Up. Yeah, Pick Me Up, duh. And then some, here's the 12x12 sticker sheet, and then this is a really fun one. I love the ombre on that one. And then I've got this. This is the awesome like little seashell pattern that I love. All this, and then she even worked in some Simple Stories Crafty Girl, which I thought was outstanding. The colors are perfect with the teals and pinks. Love it. And the navy, of course. And then, of course, a unicorn paper. And rainbows. Super, super, super cute. So one of the first things I do when I get kits like this is I go through my embellishments. So Christina packages them up really cute in little bags, but you can't see stuff when they're in there, and you need to have them packaged for shipping. So I take everything out and I go through it. Isn't this camera awesome? Look at that. It's so cute. And then I go through and I just kind of see what's in there as far as some of the sayings. The world is your playground. Let's have an adventure. There's ephemera, tags. Be a rainbow in somebody's cloud. Best day ever. Every little thing she does is magic. I'm really a mermaid. So I just kind of go through and just take a mental note of like what is in here for sayings, because you can incorporate this stuff into your title really, really easily. So I do that, go through everything, kind of see what I have for ephemera and possible like page title in the works type stuff. So this is what I'm going to be basically working with, is all this lovely stuff. And then I went back into my stash. So I went back through and I'm gonna try to incorporate some, still have these like really old Mr. Huey's mists, which I went crazy for back in the day. I don't know, 6, 7, 8 years ago, I'm not even sure. But I have a really pretty aqua blue. This one is a navy blue. And of course my Shimmers Paints Aquatones. This one is Roses Are Red. And this Mr. Huey's is pretty in pink. And those coordinate well with this. And then I also went to my secret huge stash of Spiegel Mom Scraps sequins, of course, and just pulled colors that I thought would work. So peaches, aquas, teals, pinks. There's a bunch of navy and wood grain in this one, and then some big sparkly moonshine ones. There's a couple different pink tones and some gold leaves in here. And then of course I grabbed out the seashells in this like awesome iridescent pink, because those are fantastic. And then I went to my previous month's kit and then pulled out a couple of things. So I've got these great alphas from Kaisercraft. And I still have some of the ephemera from last month, and I think I can make this work. Like there's some navy, teal, pink. This is from Box of Crayons. So I think I can make some of this at least work in there. And then some of the papers that I have, I'm truly hoarding these and I need to stop. But it's the Pink Fresh Studio BU, but some of the same teals and aqua tones and stuff are in there. So I think I'll try to incorporate those. And then what I begged Christina for last month and then haven't used much of yet are, Christina's gonna laugh, are these navy glitter thicker phrases. So I freaked out and had to have them, and of course I haven't touched them yet because I just love them that much. But mark my words, they will go on layouts for this Killa kit. All right, so that's kind of what I'm gonna be working with. I also pulled some other stuff from my stash. I really like building titles with a bunch of different alphas and letters and phrase stickers, and I like cutting apart stickers to make them work for my titles. So here is just one example. So I use this big glitter, gold glitter happy, and then these are actually rather old. I have all of my black alphas, whether they're puffy or chipboard or foam, or like these are flat, like a glitter sticker. I have all my black ones like binder clipped together so I can easily, you know, grab them, and I can mix and match letters and make titles. So that is from that. This is one I cut apart, a Dear Lizzie sticker, and then these are just the little Simple Stories phrase stickers. So, oh, and this one too, I used some of my Ink Road stamps, which are fantastic. So that's kind of how I like to work on my titles recently, is really kind of incorporating different fonts, different, you know, even colors and stuff in there. So that's kind of why I've pulled all these different alpha stickers and stuff like that too. So I am going to be working on killing this kit this month, and I hope you guys join us. I'll have some links in the description box below for everybody else who is participating, so you can go check out and subscribe to their channels. Stick around. I do plan on doing more Killa Kit videos and some more videos in general. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time around. Thanks, girls.